Mom, where did you go?
I'm back.
Yep.
Hi, my beautiful friends. I'm Daniela, the vegan mom.
I'm Christina. I'm a baking girl.
And today we're going to talk about,
Shopping and shopping.
yes, we're going to talk about how jumping on a trampoline or rebounder can boost your lymphatic drainage and also provides an invigorating workout. As the saying goes, small hinges swing open big doors. In other words, a small effort like jumping just a few minutes on a trampoline every day can make such a huge difference in your health and your well-being. Your lymphatic system supports your cardiovascular and your immune system. So here's the deal. The lymph system doesn't have a pump, so it needs movement to get flushed and to circulate, or else the lymph becomes stagnant and congested. And that, of course, is not very good. Because the lymph catches the bad guys that invade our system and kills them, and it regulates old and damaged red blood cells. And the best part, you only have to jump 2 to 5 minutes a day. Who said that health can't be fun? So get yourself a small trampoline and jumpstart your health one bounce at a time.
Bye. See you next time.